Hello friends, now I will show you 3 different multi-tools like Snowflake. They sell for different price on HairBest. They have little different tools. This one for cutting, maybe some cables can be cut for this tool, and no one have this also exactly color are different, just metallic. For this one is colorful. Let's see how it work. About tools, I can use ordinary bit with it. Ordinary bit for this hole, big bit, other beer open, and some other tools. So what we should do? So if you don't have any good tool near you, like boss shredder, like any multi-tool, you can use it as a good variant of different instrument in the one pocket size accessory. So in description of this video there will be link for text review with more photo. Will be links to HairBest where you can buy it, and that's all. Soon will be review of boss shredder, I think in a week, about it. In any case, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Bye bye.